Team 1, can I get some assistance at Westgate, please? I have intruders teasing me.
Do you know?
Ten-2, man.
We're on round
4, thank you, sir.
Do you still need backup at Westgate?
Negative, I got them myself, thank you.
Okay, we're still going shopping Saturday.
Wow.
They never tell them the min price, bro. Just go straight to the mix price because you already mixed up the parts.
Oh, 10-4, brother.
Yeah, don't say min, brother. Always say
Then
that.
upset when you sell it, you come and tell me, bro, and you're gonna be like, "See, brother, I cracked it."
I'm happy like that, no, bro. I'm a cheap guy. Not those ripple fellas.
Yeah, hard. What else you got for sale, my brother?
The B-31,
The B2.
bomber,
Oh,
bomber.
yeah.
That's in the Try Your Lucky.
Yeah, I think so. Is that the bomber E92 or the E31?
Yeah, E31,
Oh,
bomber
and he's
E31.
still trying to. Oh, thanks, Eagle Eye.
No idea, brother. Trying to find a fucking Mark 5 Super. I've already got one, but I need another one.
Oh, nice.
Team 1, intruder on base on a scooter from Westgate heading to mid.
Copy that, 4 on round.
10 on my way. 4.
He's just got behind H. Intruder down.
Please make sure body cams are on, guys.
Copy, body cameras on. Do I need to send that somewhere?
Send us straight through to your DFGs, FGs.
I'll turn my body cam off. Sorry, on. Sorry, it is off at the moment. Sorry about that.
So Hollywood, could I have your team come meet me in HQ, please?
Yes, ma'am. Copy. El Suenos, Sir Blue, Sir El Suenos, and Sir Eagle Eye, can I see you in HQ, please?
Come on. Janelle, let's go to HQ. They need us.